In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make money on Envato for beginners. We're starting right on the Envato Elements website. Open your browser and go to elements.envato.com. This is the home base for Envato's massive library of creative assets, and it's also where you'll find the path into their affiliate opportunities. Once you're on the home page, scroll all the way down to the bottom. The footer is where Envato keeps important links, and that's where you'll find the option we need. Look for the link that says Become an affiliate and click it. This takes you to Envato's official affiliate hub, where they explain how the program works and what you can earn. On that page, click See Programs. You'll now see the different affiliate options under the Envato umbrella, each with its own audience and payout structure. At this point, you're choosing which affiliate program is right for you. If your audience loves all you can download creative assets, graphics, video templates, fonts, Envato Elements is a great fit because it's a subscription. If you create tutorials, mockups, or quick branding demos, Place It by Envato is perfect since it's built for fast, polished results in the browser. If you talk about individual themes, plugins, code, or stock assets, Envato Market is the classic marketplace option. Take a moment to read the program overviews and commission details on each page so you align your choice with the content you already make and the audience you serve. When you've decided, click Join Program. This starts a short application where you'll share how you plan to promote Envato, such as your website or social channels. Next, click Sign Up. You'll usually see options to sign up with email or through trusted providers like Apple, Google, Facebook, X, or LinkedIn. Choose the method you prefer and follow the on-screen prompts. Before you submit, scroll down and look for the section that outlines Envato's offer. Read through the key terms so you understand things like approval criteria and promotional guidelines. Then check the box confirming that you have read and accepted Envato's offer. This is important for compliance and to make sure your account can be reviewed smoothly. Finally, click Continue to send in your application. From here, watch for a confirmation and any follow-up requests. Once you're approved, you'll receive tracking links you can use in your content. Remember to disclose affiliate links clearly, keep your messaging honest, and choose assets your audience will truly benefit from. That's how you build trust and steady earnings with Envato over time.